There are various compilers for Python programming language. We already seen two best compiler for Python programming. Number one is default Python IDE. It's provided by Python. And number two, it's a very useful compiler. It's known as Visual Studio Code. And we already seen how to execute Python program in these two compiler. Now in this video, we discuss about a new Python compiler. So hello everyone, welcome back to Work with Technology YouTube channel. My name is Bhamre Sanket, and in this video we discuss a new Python compiler is known as PyCharm and how to download this Python compiler in our system, as well as how to execute a Python program with the help of PyCharm. So all these things we discuss about in this video. So let's start and see step by step every procedure. So open your favorite browser and search for PyCharm download and click on first link is known as download PyCharm. So click on it and you can see here this is the interface of PyCharm. So there are two types of PyCharm. Number one is professional, it's paid, and second one is community. In this video we download the community version of PyCharm. It's totally free and built on open source, and as well as PyCharm are available in different operating systems, so Windows, Mac operating system and Linux. But in this video we download this compiler for Windows. So select the Windows tab, and in the community tab you can see here the download button. So click on it. Once you click on download button, it starts downloading automatically and it takes some time according to your net speed. Let's see you after the downloading. And you can see here the exe file is known as the PyCharm setup file are downloaded successfully. So you just open it. And you can see here welcome to PyCharm Community Edition setup. So you simply click on next button, and here you can see the destination folder. So set as default, you simply click on next button. Basically this is the location where your PyCharm compiler install, and it's required 1.5 GB space to install. So you simply click on next, and here select all checkbox is known as create desktop shortcut, update, create and update part available. So select all box and click on next button. And here choose a start menu folder. So set as default and click on install button, and you can see here the PyCharm Community Edition setup starting to installing. It takes some time, and you can see here completing PyCharm Community Edition setup. So there are two options, reboot now and I want to manually reboot later. So I select I want to manually reboot later. Click on finish. That's okay. Now you can see here PyCharm was successfully installed. So double click and open it. Now here the import PyCharm settings. So you simply select the do not import settings, click OK. Because we download PyCharm first time, that's why we don't need to configure our installation or directory. Now here Windows Defender for firewall, so you simply give the access. And you can see here welcome to PyCharm. Now here we create a simple Python project. Now you simply click on new project, and here we write our project name is known as hello world. And you can see here the Python latest version is 3.11. Now set as default, click on create, and it's creating the virtual environment. So it takes little time for creating the virtual environment. And you can see here it generates a main.python file, and here the default code for print hello world. He use a function and then call the function, so we simply run it. And you can see here output hi PyCharm. Now in this way you also download and execute Python program with the help of PyCharm compiler. So that is for today. I hope so this video is little helpful for you. So please leave a like and make sure to subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Till then, stay safe, keep learning. Thanks for watching.